Hello everyone, my name is Venusian Calliope and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am dyeing my hair blue, so let's get things started by taking off my mask to reveal that I'm wearing another mask. Yeah, it's a little cheeky, but meh. Okay, so the first step that I'm going to do before I even think about putting on hair dye or gloves on is that I am applying a lot of I guess it's moisturizer, but it's not quite moisturizer. It's like Vaseline or petroleum jelly or Aquifer. Think something along those lines, just apply that along your hairline to help make sure that it doesn't get to dye around your hairline, because again, if it can dye your hair, it can probably dye your skin. But yeah. And let's bring up today's palette. So most of the time I'm actually a painting YouTube channel, and most of my videos are me painting. So this is a little different. But yeah, I'm just applying Aquifer to my ears, and even the back of my head. I'm going to be applying some Vaseline just to be on the safe side and stuff. And also to prep my hair beforehand, I shampooed, and I just shampooed my hair with blue. Well, I say blue, but I actually mean purple hair dye. Not hair dye, shampoo. I shampooed my hair with purple shampoo before this. But yeah, yeah. So today I am actually my canvas, and let's bring up a picture of my hair dye that I'm going to be using. And you see, that is very blue. So yeah, thank you for coming to the channel and again visiting if you're new. If you feel free to, if you like this content, maybe don't subscribe because most of the time I paint, but if you would like to, go for it. But yeah. So this is the first time that I've successfully dyed my hair blue, because for some reason my hair is really, really stubborn. Okay, so when you first apply the hair dye to your hair, you're going to want to be wearing gloves, but you're also going to want your strands of hair to be fully covered and just smothered in the hair dye. Just because you don't want any patchiness or streakiness when it comes to your colors. Because again, you'll want it to look consistent unless you want it to not look consistent, if that makes sense. But yeah, just make sure everything looks nice and everything is okay. But yeah. Woo. But yeah, my hair is kind of stubborn when it comes to blue hair dye, because again, for some reason the bleach part of my hair, when my hair bleaches, it tends to lean more towards the orangish shades of the family, and instead of traditional blonde shades. And it's it's not that unusual for brunettes, but just keep that in mind. But now I'm a brunette. Okay. Bad pun, but point still stands. But yeah, blue used to be my favorite color from age 5 to 10. You know what? Maybe even past 10. Make it more 12, 13-ish. But yeah, blue is and it's still one of my favorite colors, but blue is nice. And honestly, it's been a while since I dyed my hair a unique color, so yeah. And yes, I did accidentally get like some hair dye on my skin, but you know what? Sometimes that happens and you just have to like keep going and just go along with the process and then maybe clean it up. Okay? So yeah. And next I'm just like taking like strands and just like making sure everything is like as covered as it should be. And I know I'm even like dyeing the like parts of my hair that probably won't even be affected by the hair dye, but like, you know, it's good to like have like some consistency to like the hair, and it's kind of like with semi-permanent hair dye, most of the time they're like conditioners anyway, so you can just like leave it in and it won't hurt anything for the most part. But yeah, I'm just like putting hair. Okay, so I'm putting a hairnet on my, well, it's actually a shower cap on my head because, like, again, you don't want dye to get everywhere where you don't want it to get. But yeah, and I ended up like getting blue dye on my hair anyway, and watch that transition. So after you've like let the hair dye like sit in your hair for like 30 minutes to maybe an hour or whatever like the package says it's okay for it to be on your hair, you wash it like out, but make sure that you get like a lot of the dye out like first. Like you don't want it like on your scalp, if that makes sense, or like have it like be too dyed, or else you're going to like end up having like blue hands for like days. And I am not like saying that from experience, but like sometimes things happen. But yeah, anyway, after you like wash your hair, you're going to want to like blow dry it. And sometimes you can even like straighten it or like curl your hair afterwards so the color like stays in longer or something along those lines. I've read somewhere, but again, I'm not like a scientist or like an expert when it comes to like hair dyeing. I did not go to beauty school. I actually went to community college to get a degree in video editing, so yay. So you're going to want to like keep blow drying your hair and just hope everything just like stays like consistently dry. Oh, and you might also want to put like conditioner and stuff in your hair, or like before you like get back and like dye it. Well, not dye it, but before you like get back and like blow dry it, especially if it's like a protein conditioner. Like when I say conditioner, I mean like leave-in conditioner. Just so your hair is like soft and doesn't get like too damaged, even though it will get damaged because you are in fact drying your hair. But yeah, and it takes like a while for my hair to get like properly dry because like it's kind of thick. So you're just going to like have to like just wait until your hair is like just dry and just do whatever and it'll be fine. And honestly, Fall Out Boy released a new album, so it makes sense for me to like be rocking the scene look. Yeah, this is like my roaring 20s, people. Rawr. But yeah, I've always wanted like to like look kind of like scene slash emo since I was like a preteen, because like that was just like the style at the time in like 2008, 2006, 7-ish. So yeah, that's like a long time. But yeah, you're just gonna have to like keep going and just like blow drying your hair and make sure everything is like nice and like evenly distributed and just, yeah. And here we go. Also, when it comes to like hair dye, you're going to want to like wear like a shirt that's already been like stained. And the shirt that I was wearing like right now, I got paint on it earlier, so it's not my best shirt. And I'm just like brushing through my hair with a blue brush, well, blue comb actually, and just like making sure everything is like nice and, you know, okay. And here we go. Yeah, that side too. It's a little bit of blue, but you know what? It's okay. And my hands are kind of blue, but you know what? Even though I did wear gloves, sometimes things happen, and you know what? That's okay. And let's see it fully dry and like me, you know. Anyway, thank you for watching, and let's see a picture of like me after I got my hair dyed and just, it's like, let's just see like my hair naturally like dry and stuff, and like me in my natural mode more than this. Anyway, thank you for watching, and bye.